So I just started using this Oral-B toothbrush. I really enjoyed it so far. I guess before I talk about how it is, I'll talk about what's in it. This is the kind of the base they use to charge, and then put the head on there. And then this head vibrates back and forth really quickly. You can change the modes here with like the intensities, but I usually just turn it on and go with the default mode. It also has a timer for 2 minutes once you know that you have brushed your teeth long enough. Also, when you're brushing, if you press down, green means it's the right amount of pressure, and then red means you're pushing too much, and now you're not letting the vibrating bristles do the work. So you want to keep it in the green, and if it's too light, it turns white. Has an extra head, which is great to come with that. And if you don't want to store the heads on there, it has these little stands for them. I haven't been storing the heads on there because in the past when I've had these toothbrushes that have the base in the head, there'll be kind of some buildup from like water deposits or just other junk that gets in there. And so I try to store them separately so they can dry out better. It comes with a nice charger. I haven't had to charge it yet. And then it has this really nice travel case that I didn't know was going to come with it. I might just store it in this most of the time, I've been thinking about. Because it fits in there, and then you can fit, other way. You can fit both of the heads in there if you want. But I've been really happy with it so far. I've been incorporating it into my improved tooth care routine, which before was just kind of brushing once with a brush real quick, and now I have a couple other steps, and this is part of it. I'm happy with it so far.